Earth's surface can change slowly over millions of years, or it can change very quickly. In this lesson, you will learn about fast changes that can happen in just minutes or hours. Scientists called geologists have found 3 big natural events that cause fast changes to the Earth's surface. They are volcanoes, landslides, and earthquakes. The Earth's crust is thin and hard. Under the crust is melted rock called magma. Sometimes, heat and pressure make cracks in the crust, and magma comes up to the surface. When this happens, a volcano is made. The crack is called a vent. When magma comes to the surface, it is called lava. Lava flows out of the vent. What do you think happens when lava touches the air? It cools down and turns into rock again. What happens when more and more lava flows? More and more rock forms. The volcano gets bigger and taller. Underwater volcanoes can grow tall enough to reach the surface. What is made when this happens? An island. This flowchart shows how rock can form from magma. Fast changes in the Earth's surface can also happen because of big movements of the Earth's crust. Huge sheets of rock called plates make up the Earth's crust. Sometimes there's a crack in a plate. This crack is called a fracture. If the rocks are moving slowly along the crack is called a fault. When rocks suddenly slide along a fault, an earthquake happens. How do earthquakes change the surface of the Earth? They create landslides and move lots of rocks. Earthquakes can also change the paths of rivers and make huge sea waves called tidal waves. A seismograph is a tool used to measure movement in the Earth's crust. It can detect both up and down and side-to-side motion. It records information on a piece of paper called a seismogram. This seismogram was recorded during an earthquake. A landslide is when rocks suddenly move because of heavy rains, melting snow, or earthquakes. The Earth's surface can be changed quickly by landslides. They can fill up valleys and flatten mountains. What force keeps rocks moving during a landslide?